welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. How about we just close our eyes for a moment and think of fall, okay? And not just the way fall looks, but how fall smells. Yeah. And that's what we're going to talk about. If fall was a fragrance, what would it smell like? Okay? When I close my eyes, would it smell like coziness and leaves and cinnamon? And what does that look like? All right. So let's get right into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first up, if fall were a fragrance, what would it smell like? I think about like peach and pies and pastry and cinnamon, like especially during Thanksgiving season. I know that Thanksgiving season we lead into the winter, a little bit. But I think of that type of profile, cinnamon, pastries, right? I am your gourmand girly, so I would. But peach arum from Navitus in partnership with Sharita M. Listen, this beautiful, warm, cinnamon, fruity fragrance definitely gives me fall vibes, okay? I will be very honest, this fragrance, it took me some time, okay, to really find the love in this fragrance, which is totally fine, right? Not every fragrance is going to be love at first sniff. It's just not, right? But if you are patient and allow it to develop, allow it to sit, you really sit with the fragrance and see, do I really enjoy this? What's going on with this? And really give it time. Sometimes something that starts off not your best fancy fragrance can be absolutely your dream. Okay. And this is peach arum. Like I said, again, this wasn't love at first sniff, but when I say this is it's so good, especially this season and the cool air and it's around me. I'm sorry. So the pastry, the butteriness in this, right? The I wouldn't say tart, right? But the fruitiness of the peach. This is so good. The cinnamon that's in this, it is magnificent. If you ever had a peach cobbler, right? Like even the milkiness in this is just so good. And it comes together so seamless. It is so good and divine. Like I love it. Okay, I'm back. Because I get wrapped up. I'm sorry, y'all. I get wrapped up in fall. It's my favorite season, so I get wrapped up a little bit. But peach arum is one to absolutely check out if you want a good peach cobbler spicy, okay? But I want you to know, this is not like, although it has sweetness because of the fruit, it's not just like your too sweet tooth of a pastry fragrance, right? Like this has depth with that cinnamon and the blend of this. It's not like this hard-on, sappy foodie gourmand, right? It is a fruity gourmand or a foodie gourmand. But it's not probably what you think it may be. So that's why I even had to give it time to vibe with it. And now I appreciate it so much more, okay? So don't go in with pre-notions. Go in there with a clear mind, clear heart. Test it out, see if you vibe with it, and then add it to your collection. Next up, I have a fragrance that is a cologne, right? So the oil concentration is not going to be heavier. So this is not going to last you a lifetime or last a long time, right? But when you spray this, maybe out of the shower, something like this, it definitely gives me fall vibes. It has nutmeg in this. It has cinnamon. It has ginger in this, right? It is so fall forward, in my opinion, even though this was kind of released around the Christmas season. It absolutely reminds me of fall. And this is Jo Malone, Ginger Biscuit. Listen, if you love cinnamon, nutmeg, caramel, hazelnut, vanilla, if you love those types of notes, you would enjoy this so much. And I just feel like, all of those like spices, right? Like when I think of nutmeg and cinnamon, like all these spices, it just gives me fall. This is like fall in a bottle. It is so good, so delicious. It definitely gives you ginger biscuit, like ginger snaps, okay? If you like a good ginger snap or have smelled ginger snap, like that just puts me in like holiday mood, like in itself. But definitely fall, it just smells so good. My type of fall, okay? I'm not your running through the trees and always the burnt leaves and always the burnt forest. I'm not that type of gal all the time. Like I do have some, like replicas by the fireplace. Like I do have some fiery fragrances, right? That, kind of tickles my fancy. However, I feel like the simplisticness, right? The tonka bean in this, the simplisticness of this fragrance absolutely gives me fall in a bottle. Next up, clearly we know what type of fall I like, okay? We have cognac in this fragrance. There's tonka bean in this fragrance. Cinnamon is in this as well. Vanilla as well is very heavy in this. And I am talking about none other than Angel Share by Kilian. Listen, like, do you all get fall from this? Sound off in the comment section. Like, Angel Share, Kilian, does it give you fall vibes? Like, for me, this is like apple cider. Like, it is spicy. It's like apple pie la mode. Like, it is so, it's so delicious. Like, I don't know. Like, if you don't like this, sound off in the comments. Because I really want to know, like, why don't you get along with this? Because this is such a very crowd-pleasing fragrance, in my opinion, but rightfully so. Like, the cognac in this makes maybe people run for the hills, but that booziness in this is needed. The vanilla, the cinnamon that's in this, the praline that's in this, it is needed. Speaking of pralines, if you are in New Orleans and you can go to the French Quarter and get you a praline beignet from Loretta's, get your life. Okay? Since we're talking about pralines, get your life for the fall. Okay? If you're going on a trip, going to New Orleans, absolutely a stop that you need to make at the French Quarter and get you those praline beignets. Chef's kiss, okay? And then they'll bring you back here, okay? So good. Angel Share by Kilian absolutely reminds me of the fall season. It makes me smile. It makes me happy. It's that good. Next up, my last two, I just mentioned them, so we're going to go quick. But I have to say, Ebony Woods from Zara reminds me of fall. Every time, all the time. Like, this is fall. Now, this is the wood part of fall that I enjoy, right? A little sweet, a little wood, leather, like a little bit of everything, right? To make this amazing fragrance. This is so good, okay? So if we're running through the trees, this is the trees I want to be running through. That wood is amazing. It's good. You all, like, get your hands on this beautiful concoction. Absolutely. Ebony wood in a bottle. This is fall in a bottle for sure. And the price is superb at that. And last but certainly not least, fall in a bottle. This is fall. Okay. And I had to leave her last because prepare to be sick of me. Yeah, her again. Initio side effect. Yeah, this is definitely fall in a bottle. This is the bougie fall in a bottle. Okay, this is the sexy fall in a bottle. Okay, with that saffron. This is sexy in the bottle of fall. But that cinnamon, all the notes that I just enjoy for the fall is in this, and it is superb. Absolutely would highly recommend you get your life. Well, you got your life, but get your hands on Initio side effect. Well, that's all, fam. For my if fall was a fragrance, what would it smell like, or she smell like? Okay, I'm always putting a she on everything. What would fall smell like? Okay. Well, fam, make sure that you comment down below. Let me know, okay, if what fragrance reminds you of fall? Sound off in the comments. The fam wants to know, all right? Make sure you thumbs up this content if you enjoy, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace, and if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.